for apple, red and sweet. B for butterfly, wings so neat. C for cat, soft and small. D for dog, here's your call. E for elephant, big and strong. F for fish, swims along. G for grass, green and tall. H for horse, runs so fast, don't fall. I for ice cream, cold and nice too. J for jelly, wobbles twice, boo. K for kite, flying high, do. L for lamp, shining bright. M for moon, in the night sky. N for nest, where birds lie. O for orange, juicy and round. P for parrot, makes a sound. Q for queen, crown so fine. R for rainbow, colors shine. S for sun, warm and bright. T for train, moving right. U for umbrella, when it rains. V for violin, lovely strings. W for whale, big in the sea. X for xylophone, play with glee. Y for yellow, like the sun. Z for zebra, stripes for fun. Now we sang from A to Z. Sing along again with me.